Hello, this is Matt on the Moon Lambo channel, and this has been the most freaking insane XRP price rally we've seen in 3 years. It's not been since December, roughly mid-December of 2017, that we've seen anything quite like this. And relative to the local local low of an XRP price of somewhere in the neighborhood of 22 cents, XRP is now up, as I'm recording this, over 100%. This is astonishing. And so this is going to be a feel-good, fun video right now, because you know what? We freaking deserve it, damn it. And so I'm going to share with you in this video opinions from a number of XRP chart analysts that have been speaking out today. I'm also going to bring up some comments from some notable XRP trolls, including Peter Brandt. Because I tell you what, some of the recent tweets, just within the last few days from some of these people, they're not really aging so well, are they? The answer is no. We're also, oh my gosh, in terms of 24-hour volume, well, wait, we got to wait for the close, but this is probably going to be by a long shot, like the most insane XRP volume that we've ever seen on top of the price action. And so all the people that said XRP was dead, was never going to go anywhere, well, you've always been a bunch of silly geese, haven't you? It doesn't make no darn sense, says Moon Lambo. Now, I want to be clear, I don't have a financial background of any kind. I am not offering financial advice, and so you should not buy or sell anything because of anything I say, all right? I'm just an enthusiast. You know, I enjoy following crypto stuff, XRP-related news, so on and so forth, and talking about it as a hobby on the YouTubes, but that is all that it is. If you would please ever so delicately tap the like button, and if you've just been really enjoying this price rally today, I'll tell you what, you're in good company. Stick around here. Go ahead and subscribe to the Moon Lambo channel. I promise that you might not regret it. All right, so I tweeted this out earlier today because as things were rocketing, I just think of the people that say XRP is never going up, and so I wrote that in the tweet, XRP never going up. And then I wrote, I'm going to censor my own damn tweet here, but then I wrote, just F off, you unsophisticated, knuckle-dragging, mouth-breathing troglodyte with a cashew-sized brain. Oh, I feel better. I feel so much better now. Shout out to James Rule XRP here, who wrote, boom, XRP rules the number 3 position. Again, the US dollar USDT is sinking. And so, indeed, as I'm recording this, XRP is back in the number 3 spot. Now, of course, if the price goes down, it won't take much for it to go back to number 4, and there can be some retracement. In fact, over the last, 30 minutes to an hour, like it actually has been retracing a little bit, but nothing goes up in a straight line, so we'll see where all this goes here. But damn, can we just enjoy this freaking 24-hour chart right here? Look at that, just bask in all of its greatness right there. That's what I've been doing. You know, let's look at the 7-day. Oh my God, what a glorious chart. Man, I'll tell you what, I'm going to print that up and I'm going to put that bitch on my fridge. That's a good looking, that is a sexy chart right there. You might want to do the same. All right, now, by the way, here's the Bitcoin chart. 24 hours just trading sideways. And I'm not a maximalist, mind you. Like, I do want Bitcoin to go well. I do well. I'm just saying, like, this is XRP's day destroying all of the competition. Certainly in terms of large cap coins. Here's chart analyst DIY investing who wrote, it really was that easy, XRP. And what's he talking about here? And I've shared this. Be aware of this, though, because, look, we've been talking, on this channel, I've been talking for days and days and days about how it just seems like every analyst that I'm covering that I think is worth following, they're pretty much all more or less saying the same thing, like, guys, impending bull rally. And I've never been reporting on anything like that, over the last nearly 2 years I've been running this channel. Yeah, there have been people that said bull run here and there, but I've never had a string of high-profile analysts all effectively saying the same thing, even if they disagree on a little bit in terms of, like, how high is it going to go, whether they say 50 cents or 90 cents, whatever it is, or somewhere in between, 65 cents, But they were all in lockstep and like, yeah, this is about to happen. And I've just never experienced anything like that, and I'll be freaking damned. So if you've been following my my videos about price over the last several days, this probably didn't surprise you. Like, we knew this was coming with a certain, not with a certainty, but with a high level of probability based on what these analysts said. Because, like, I'm not an analyst, I'm just reporting on what they're saying here. But take a look at this. You can see that we've been in a bear market with XRP for years. As of March of this year, though, XRP started printing higher highs and higher lows along the way. And so this is the chart that DIY investing has here. And so we knew that this was the direction things were going. The bottom was in, and it took the pandemic to get there, fine, but the bottom was in. Here is chart analyst Credible Crypto telling his 73,300 followers, imagine thinking XRP would never pump again, laughing my ass off. Somebody named Wondering, all up on the Twitters here, wrote, can it actually hold at these levels, though? Let's say XRP hits $1. Can it consolidate at $1 and be considered its new low? Ultimately, I'd like to see XRP keep its gains and not fall back down to 25 cents. To which Credible Crypto responded, it's not going back to 25 cents. We are just getting started. I'll tell you what, I know what I hate, and I don't hate that. Bravo, good sir. This is great. And you can see here's another tweet from on November 20th. He wrote, send XRP to 38 to 40 cents with haste. So he knew this was coming. And I've been reporting on this on the channel. I'm just reiterating this because not everybody's seen this, but we knew this was freaking coming with not certainty again, but a high level of probability based on what all sorts of high profile and respected chart analysts within the community have been saying. And then he wrote, there you go, target hit, XRP. Next, here's another tweet. This is a more recent one. As I'm recording this, it is 7:31 p.m. Central Standard Time. I'm in the Midwest of the United States, and so this was tweeted out just a little less than an hour ago from Credible Crypto. It wrote, the floor on XRP is in. If we somehow get a retest of the low 30-cent region, you take it. Slim chance we see sub 30 cents ever again, except maybe a cheeky wick if you are lucky. Congrats, XRP Army. It's our turn now. He knows way more about charts than me, but when people do say we're never going to see so-and-so price again, I'm always like, cautious there, famous last words, But I like Credible Crypto, though. I enjoy following his stuff. I'm just teasing. And then here's another analyst. I don't know if this is how it's intended to be said. Philicone, that's the name here. We wrote, XRP update. We compare this rally to September 20th, 2018's rally. I strongly forewarn caution. When I'm scared to short because of the reminder in 2018, you should be too. So there you go. Another analyst who is long. Here is Harry at Geraldo XRP, and this individual called the most famous rally of all for XRP in mid-December when XRP went from 20-something cents to almost $4. He called it, and he called the top on January 4th. Like the tweets are there, like you can go back and verify this. I didn't pull it up for this video, but he did. So here's what he wrote. XRP is approaching a 12-month technical level at around 43 cents. If bulls push, it might get a little crazy. They're at XRP, not bad. Appetite for more. Full send, please, sir. Santa Visa, sir. And so you can see just the general bullish sentiment and high level of confidence here. And then Harry also wrote this in response, because somebody named Ray on Twitter asked Harry, okay, how crazy is this going to get? Like, your opinion, please. Harry wrote, 60 cents plus to begin. I'm telling you, it's chart analyst after chart analyst after chart analyst. They're all saying effectively the same thing. This is an exciting time, and so all the haters enjoy drinking a haterade, you little baby back bitches, because you're all wrong. Even if it retraces, I don't care. This is never going to stop. So let's have fun with this now. And nothing against any of the people that just feel differently than us, but I'm going to have a little fun just teasing a little bit if I can do. There's no actual venom or anything like this, but it is kind of funny because these people are silly to me. The opinions, not even the people. Let me retract that. What their opinions are silly. The people could be perfectly intelligent and fine, but I do feel like a lot of them, they're just letting their bias get in the way of what reality would otherwise have them believe. And so here is a tweet from November 19th from Alex Saunders, CEO and founder at Nuggets News, 53,200 followers. This is what he put out to his 53,200 followers. It's a screen grab. And so this is his doctor, who sent a message and wrote, "Hi, Alex. Do you have a recommendation for a trading platform, particularly for XRP? I have come across coinspot.com.au. Thank you in advance." To which Alex responded with the following sage wisdom. Do not buy XRP. It's the worst performing coin for a reason. Buy 50-50 Bitcoin and Ethereum, hold for 5 years, retire. And I highlighted this on my channel just a couple days ago, because again, this is from the 19th, and I was like, I don't know. It's like, this is kind of ridiculous. It doesn't make sense to me. And I made the point, I was like, oh, really? Okay, so out of all the top just large cap cryptocurrencies, XRP will be the one that won't rally. But everything else is going to rally, It's so super silly to me because there's plenty of data to just show that for the last 12 years, really what's been happening, as long as there's been altcoins anyway, in a general sense, they're just following Bitcoin. But suddenly, for some reason, XRP, despite the fact that it's been one of the top cryptos for almost 8 years at this point, it's not going to go up in price ever again. And so again, this is so rich to me because this was just 2 frickin' days ago. And so he wrote here, he shared that screen grab and wrote, "An old doctor mate of mine just sent me this. Usually he's the one doing the saving." Yeah, well, you just kind of screwed your doctor friend because that would have been an excellent time, as it turns out, to have purchased XRP. And so I responded with him to him with this gif from Team America. F yeah. You can just look if you want to. That was my response to it. I was just having a little fun. And again, nothing personal against him or anyone else that feels differently than me. But if we can tease a little bit, because the timing of this is just too freaking perfect here, right? And now you've got Peter Brandt. Oh, I have so much fun with this. This is super freaking duper. All right, so you see this from Peter Brandt. Looks like I stopped being a hater just in time. At least he acknowledged that he was kind of being a hater against XRP. And so he saw the writing on the wall too. And so here's his chart about XRP, except for he didn't label it XRP. He labeled it Western Australian Cow Dung Futures. I mean, it's funny. It's funny. I can laugh with that. That's fine. So he actually did catch it and turn around beforehand. But man, do you see the stuff he was putting out here? Like, here's something that Lord Sebastian Manlove, that's an awesome name, by the way. He shared this screen grab with Peter Brandt, and it's a Peter Brandt tweet here. And you can see this is from November 6th. And again, this is not something that's aging well. Dead cat bounce after 32 straight red days. The best trading practice is to be long the strongest member of a category when long, short the weakest when short. Don't be long the weakest hoping upon hope to catch up. And then that was the XRP BTC chart. That's the XRP BTC pair. November 6th. So to his credit, even though he did not label it as XRP, he labeled it cow dung. To his credit, he came back and was like, okay. I think he realized if he wanted to save face, he better put something out there. So, okay, credit where it's due. And it is kind of funny, but that's ridiculous. Just the bias in all of this is what's silly to me. And then you got crypto Bitlord here, who has said that XRP would never pump again, that it was a Ripple scam, this or that, blah, 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 blah. And I always make the point, I make all sorts of points about why it's ridiculous to think that Ripple was suppressing the price of XRP, including they're pretty damn bad at it, considering they were selling XRP when a few years ago XRP went from 20-something cents to almost $4. How'd that price suppression work out there, crypto Bitlord? And so he wrote the following. "I'm very embarrassed, almost ashamed to say this, but if I don't buy my XRP back, I'll be hating myself forever." And he tweeted that out to his 131,900 followers on Twitter. And indeed, he had publicly stated that he had sold all of his XRP. So there we go. And it was never a logical position from where I stand, but hey, everybody's got a right to believe whatever it is that they want to believe. So there you go. Tyler Winklevoss, this is funny to me, wrote, "Happy Saturday, Ether is going on a tear." To which David Liu, a member of the XRP community, wrote, "Yeah, okay," with a screen grab showing XRP at 42.3 cents. And then he responded again and wrote, "Has it only been an hour? XRP at the time, 46 cents. So just completely ignoring the best performing coin of the day, talking about Ether going on a tear. Tyler Winklevoss knows you can't avoid being aware of this particular price action. So I'm just saying, man, but people believe what they want to believe, right? And they drive the narratives that they want to drive. So that's just the fact of life, man. And now you have Ripple employee Ashish Burla, who got a promotion here. He is now the GM, General Manager of RippleNet. And he wrote this just a few hours ago. "This crypto rally feels like 2017 on Twitter and 2019 outside of it." And I think that sums it up so well. Like, we're all excited here on Twitter, but we don't see mainstream media talking about the rally. Not that much, really. I mean, you see a little bit of like CNBC here and there because they tend to talk about crypto, but not a crazy amount. Like you don't see people on the news, mainstream media, telling you how to buy your Ripple when they, by the way, mean XRP. And they did that a few years ago during the last major XRP rally. My fellow XRP, he's not an XRP YouTuber, he's just a YouTuber, but he's pro XRP. Thinking Crypto, Tony runs that channel, I like his channel. He's good. And he just wrote, "More sustainable this time around." Certainly feels that way. We'll see. And again, look, I fully acknowledge there could be a retracement, and even Credible Crypto said, yeah, it could happen, but it doesn't matter, because even when that happens, you're talking about a higher low. And so the macro trend's in place. Even if we see a disappointing pullback, like Credible Crypto said, to 30 cents, God forbid, macro trend is still in effect. They all agree on that. So it's not going to freak me out, and I'm not going to emotionally buy or sell anything. So here we go. Here's a tweet from Avex Oshi, who wrote, "Only XRP can do this in a day from a top 10 market cap. Centralized coins are cool because they have real whales backing them." And I just thought it was funny. It's like somebody's a little salty about XRP price action here. To which Matt Hamilton, XRP community member, wrote the following. "True, and then you can sell the centralized coins to buy decentralized ones like XRP and profit." I gotta heart that one here. There we go. I'm having a fun time. I hope you guys are having a good time like I am here. Like this is just fantastic. We freaking deserve this. So it's fun to run through all this stuff. You see what the haters say what the XRP chart analysts are saying. This is fantastic here. Here's another analyst, Pentoshi. And so this individual has 36,800 followers. Wrote, "And last XRP tweet for the night. This is what happens when you zoom out and mark out the more important historical levels. General bottoms. I screwed the pooch on this still, though. This is alpha." And what he had retweeted there was one of his other tweets from November 13th. And it was, he wrote, "Last XRP charts versus Bitcoin and Ethereum. This type of HTF setup is where I've made most my money over the years. This is bottom, in my opinion. Patience likely to be rewarded. Here's 589 reasons why." And so there you go. Even at November 13th, and that's what I'm saying, man. I've been covering all sorts of analysts, and I've covered him too, Pentoshi. They've all been saying this stuff, which is why we deserve to have a fun time and just enjoy this today. But we shouldn't be that surprised. If you've been following this channel, this shouldn't be terribly surprising to you. We knew that this was more likely based on what the vast majority of chart analysts have been saying, the ones that are unbiased. You know, the XRP haters are just going to say what they're going to say, but whatever. Well, by and large. Here's a tweet from XRP Crypto Wolf. "Don't stop tweeting about XRP. We have to let the masses know that this is still a life-changing investment, especially when we all know what's coming. XRP will be dollars again someday, and absolutely nothing will be stopping it from getting there." And so look, I'm never going to offer financial advice. I have no interest in being in such a position. So you do what you want, talk to a financial advisor, make your own adult decisions. But even where XRP is now, you're still talking about like an 8 or 9-fold increase getting back to the all-time high, right? That represents just a massive opportunity, despite the price action we've seen today. Like, even if it never went back down ever again, holy hell. I still personally believe that we will see a new all-time high at some point in the future. Perhaps not in too distant of a future. We'll see here. I'm just going to keep following the chart analysts and see what they say, because I don't pretend to know, and I do not make price predictions. Here's a tweet from Arturo Portilla, XRP community member, who wrote, "Where are the guys who dumped XRP for quant?" So I'm pointing this out too. Like this is it's always kind of comical to me. Like the people that see other coins pumping, and then they sell their XRP like, "Oh my God, shiny thing," and then they get out of their XRP position, and then this happens. I've been talking about this forever. How many people are regretting their emotional buying and selling decisions of XRP today? I'm willing to bet a lot of people. That's why for me, I'm just going to sit here and hold. Shout out to Leonidas. He's the guy that runs XRP Arcade, and he wrote, "XRP is set to set a new all-time high in daily trading volume on CoinMarketCap at approximately $16 billion. These are the top 10 daily volumes in XRP's history." And so you can see the number one, 9.4 billion in trading volume, and that was November 25th, 2019. And you can see as I'm recording this over the last 24 hours, XRP 19.7 billion. So that's over twice as freaking high. This is astonishing stuff here. From the Crypto Poet, "XRP just made a new 52-week high. Congratulations, XRP investors." Well, thank you. I appreciate that. And then here's another one from the Crypto Poet. "Remember when XRP dipped below 12 cents around March? Remember all the people that called XRP dead, S-word coin, scam, etc. Remember all the people that sold because they lost patience? Well, they'd be up around 400% had they invested at that time. Think about it." Solid points, man. I've been making these points on my channel for damn near 2 years. Emotionally buying and selling and trying to time markets doesn't make a lick of sense. I'm a long haul investor here. And I tell you what, this is probably the most my net worth has ever gone up in less than 24 hours. Like that, it has to be. So I'm not hating on it. I'll go ahead and wrap it up there. But thank you so much for hanging around, guys. You guys are the best. I love the XRP community. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. Do not buy or sell anything, because of anything that I say or write, that would be a very, very, very bad idea. Until next time, to the moon, Lambo.